Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about a few things in your Gmail, including Google Apps and tasks. So let's take a look at tasks really quickly. You go over here to Mail, you click on Tasks, and you can add tasks into your Gmail account. For instance, you might type in grocery, you have something to complete, you put it in here. You go up here, you want to save your email, you go to More, and you add that to tasks. So you find something in your email that you need to save, there it is. So that's really great. Now, this is your apps launcher up here. You click on this, and it opens up lots of things that you can do in Google. You click on More, and then Even More from Google. And it takes you to a page where you have lots of things that you can do. You can go to Bookmarks, Toolbar, Web Search, Google Chrome, Helpouts. Really good tool, Helpouts. Click on that. You can access real people in real time. You want help with anything, let's say Google Apps. It takes you to people you can sort by best match, soonest available, lowest price. You can even get things for free, so that's really helpful. So go back to apps, Even More from Google, and I'm back to my page. So lots of things you can use in education, for instance. You can go here to YouTube, find all sorts of videos, including this one. You can go to Google Earth, you can go to Maps, and you can look for blogs and other things that might have information. Google Scholar in particular is a really great tool for those who are in the education business. You can search for anything and you can sort by custom ranges, all types of ranges that you might look for. So we'll go back a couple of times and we're back on our page. Home and Office is a really great tool. Docs is like a word processing program, and Slides is like PowerPoint. Drawings, you can create all sorts of diagrams and flow charts as it says here. And Calendar, you can organize your information, and you can even share that information with coworkers, friends. They can add information in as well. With Google Cloud Print, you can print from anywhere that you're at. Drive is a great storage place. Sheets is a lot like Excel. And in Forms, you can build surveys and things like that. So there are lots of terrific tools in here. With groups and Hangouts, you can actually talk to people. And Blogger, you can share your information and create blogs for other people. If you have students and things like that, if they want to create blogs, you can do that in there. So in Drive, let's go take a look at that really quickly. You can either look at this in list format or in grid format. And you can look at all of the things that are your apps that are in here, all of the things we were looking at before, and you can even connect to more apps. So you can search apps in here, anything you want, and it'll be added over into your drive. If you want to upload things from your computer, you can upload files and folders. Or if you want to install Drive to your computer, it will sync for you. So that's a really great tool. Going back over to apps, Even More, and you scroll down here and let's take a look at forms. If you want to build a survey form, you just go in here and you select the template and you say OK. You add more questions, just say add item. So you put in a question here and your answers and add item until you like what you see, and then you say view live form to take a look at it, and send form, and you can get a link for that. So that's really a good tool to use for research. And in Sites, if you want to create a website, you just click in here and say create. You might choose a template by browsing the gallery from something like, say, education or business or whatever it might be. You choose your template and then you start adding your content in. It's very easy. So these are really terrific tools that you can use right here from your Gmail page and your app launcher. You could just go to Even More from Google and you have access to all of these really great apps. This page is about Google products. So thanks very much for listening.